Lloyd Cooke Motors is one of the leading vehicle repair centres in Northern Ireland, offering premium quality and British standard kite mark vehicle repairs to a variety of clientele. We are trusted by insurance companies, manufacturers and private customers alike to deliver excellence in all aspects of our repairs, servicing and MOT checks. We have recently installed a new state-of-the-art Spanesi rapid repair system, the first of its kind in the UK to continue to offer excellence and service to our customers. This ensures that the vehicle is returned to them within the shortest possible time frame without compromising on the quality and precision of the finished article. We also offer our customers a free courtesy car service to enable them to continue with their daily lives with as little interruption as possible. Lloyd Cooke Motors is committed to ensuring that its customers experience a fuss-free, rapid, high-quality service which is second to none.